Hi everybody, here's the highly requested holiday outfits video. This is for New Year's Eve, Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate, you will be well dressed for. I'm not going to say every single thing that I'm wearing, I'll just link them all below, but this outfit's my favorite for New Year's Eve. I'm not sure if I'll wear it or not, but I love it. Then we've got this a little bit more toned down outfit with the same Orson Iris top. You're going to see I style this first top a few different ways, and it's kind of how I've been doing my outfit videos recently. I pick one like hero piece and then I'll style it a bunch of different ways, and it's a lot easier for me to work like that. So this is obviously a lot more casual of a way, and I love it. I will definitely be wearing this outfit not on the holidays, because if I have an excuse to dress crazy, I'm gonna dress crazy. This outfit screams walking Ernie down the street. Not actually, but it does. This little plaid vest is the most holiday vest I've ever seen in my whole life. I thrifted it for like $2, I think. And it's just so cute and 90s with these jeans and the headband and the red lip. It's so preppy, so cute. I absolutely love it, but I'm going to be honest, I will not be wearing it with those platforms. I'm going to wear this outfit this Christmas with these loafers. And this is so cute too. How 90s is this? Am I wrong? Maybe. I was only alive for 2 years in the 90s. Then again, I'm telling you, I'm styling one piece a bunch of different ways. Here is a more dressed up version. This one screams little schoolgirl, and I love it. It looks like Miranda Cosgrove in School of Rock when she says she doesn't want to be a groupie. And that's me. Then this outfit, another vest, but we've got an all black look, and then I tried to spice it up with the printed tights and fur jacket. I'm loving all the textures, the fishnet, the fur, the like mohair sweater, the white little socks under my loafers, adorable. Then we have feathers. I love this outfit, and I think it's what I want to wear for New Year's Eve this year. I think it is so adorable. And these shoes, I'm telling you, they're from Steve Madden. They're so comfy. I could last 3 years in them. They could be my only pairs of shoes, and I would go and work out in them. It's the platform. The platform is easy to walk in. So how cute are the feathers with the leather pants? But then with these silk pajama pants, I am such a sucker for wearing pajama pants in public. And not even just pants. Pajama sets you're going to see later on. Yeah, I love them so much. And I think the feathers with the silk, I love mixing all these textures. So we had the feathers with the leather and the feathers with the silk. And now we got the feathers with the velvet. These are another pair of pajama pants that I thrifted. They're capris, which I would normally hate, but for some reason they look good. And here it is with the matching set. I thrifted this in California for $10, and I absolutely love it. I do have issues with wearing shoes with it. First of all, because it's pajamas and you're not supposed to wear shoes with it, but also because they're capris, and I don't know what shoes to wear with capris. I like Uggs with it. Then I thrifted this little slip dress, and I love taking these really summery pieces and making it a little more winter-esque. Lace and leather, the juxtaposition is my favorite. I love, again, all these materials together and textures, so freaking adorable. All of these outfits aren't the warmest, obviously. I imagine myself going to a friend's house for a house party, or going to a bar and checking a coat, and it's gonna be hot, and yeah. I don't imagine myself walking the streets on any holidays. No thank you. I would like to be inside and warm and cute. And now I'm really hungry, so let's watch me make a HelloFresh meal. Every time I finish filming an outfit video, I'm starving, so I wanted to show you guys my favorite meal always, HelloFresh. I'm HelloFresh's #1 fan, and if you haven't already heard me recommend this as the #1 best 2021 Christmas gift, here's my spiel. HelloFresh offers so many recipes to choose from each week to help you break out of your recipe rut. They offer 50 menu and market items to choose from, including vegetarian, calorie smart, and gourmet options, providing plenty of variety. It's made to make everyone happy at the table and in the kitchen. HelloFresh offers a wide variety of quick and easy recipes, including 20-minute meals, easy cleanup, and low prep options. Their pre-portioned ingredients mean there's less prep for you and less wasted food. The packaging they use to ship your food is made from already recycled content, and they cut down your food waste by at least 25% compared to grocery shopping. So if you guys want to check out HelloFresh for yourself or for a gift, go to HelloFresh.com and use my code LANEY14 for up to 14 free meals and 3 free gifts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. and enjoyed watching me eat this really good meal. I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.